What's up, guys? Today we're doing a quick one, just lengthening the transfer case shifter. The 4Runner originally, the shifter went straight down into the transfer case, but we took out that transfer case because it's an electronic one, put in a gear drive from like an 85, forward shift, so the shift forks go forward into the back of the transmission. The truck was never made for that. So I took the block off plate that was there, Chatham CNC, shout out, welded the collar. Because this is a shifter from an 85 truck, it's not deep enough. So got some steel tube. I only need to add about 1.25 inches to it. So we're gonna cut it, sleeve it, plug weld it a few times, and that should do it. All right, so the extension is welded on, just tack welded for now. It's time to do a test fit and see how it goes. So this is the collar that Chatham CNC made for me. This is our extended shifter. So hopefully this just drops right in, as long as I get it lined up. And there it is. Seems to be okay. Let's fully weld this thing. This is the shifter collar that Chatham CNC helped me out with. Basically, this plate is a block off plate that was in the transmission of my 4Runner. This collar came out of the 85 axle, and it goes with this shifter. Basically what he did was he used his lathe, machined it down, machined down the collar, welded them together, and bam! So now we've got our completed shifter assembly. Got the new snap ring in there, and we're gonna drop it in the truck and row through the gears. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's in. This is going to be the first test to make sure it works. So this is a J-shift case, so it's 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and then 4 low is up here. So right now we're in 2 high, which is about right. Okay. So we're gonna go into 4 high, which is straight back. I mean, I don't really have any way of confirming this because there's still no front drive shaft, but there's still some forward movement and it feels like high. Okay, then we're gonna go over into neutral, which is neutral, and then into low. Yep, and we're in low. That's beautiful. Time to put the other 2 bolts in, put this boot down, put the center console back together, and we'll be all set. Shifter's installed, boot and everything, and it looks pretty factory. So we're in 2 high now. That's 4 high, neutral, 4 low.